$1 billion left the Solana market cap in 7 days. That is a massive number. Quite frankly, I wasn't even aware of this until this article crossed my proverbial desk. And I was like, wow. And I wanted to look at this and thought it would be something good to share with you here on the Clear Cryptos channel. My name's Austin. I support the Clear channel with my content like this, with videos like this. I also have my own channel. I always get that wrong. There's my name right there. If you want to, you're welcome to go here on YouTube and just type in that name and you'll find my channel. I have a full-time YouTube channel where I talk about crypto content as well. But I support the Clear channel because fundamentally I believe in this company. This company's been in development for 2+ years, working on its applications and its tech to help enable and make crypto better. Again, I fundamentally believe in the vision, the strategy. So if you're interested in learning more about Clear, links in the description below to their website, everything they launched with utility. 2023 is going to be a fantastic year for Clear. And it's still early if you're interested and want to check it out and run it through your own due diligence. Okay, so let's talk about Solana, all right? And let's talk about the fact that $1 billion left Solana's market cap in a week. So will it crash further? Here's the thing. Solana continues to, quite frankly, suffer from the fallout associated with FTX and SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried. And it is what it is, all right? And if you look at where it currently stands, it stands at number 17 out of all of cryptos out there with a $3.63 billion market cap. So again, $1 billion is just gone and been wiped out in the last 7 days. And it's been falling fairly dramatically down the rankings here, right? And I would love to see Solana survive and obviously make it through this, but there just continues to be, lingering questions. Again, I've already mentioned this around the affiliation with FTX. How much of Solana is owned by various entities and associated with in and around FTX, SBF, a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt surrounding Solana. And Solana's had its checkered past. It's had issues with outages and hacks and attacks, and it's had a rough go of it, if you will. But at the end of the day, I don't wish anything ill against the project. I fundamentally don't. I want to see all crypto projects that are out there trying to do better and make crypto better, and just I would love to see them succeed. But the fact that $1 billion is left was absolutely newsworthy and worthy of a video to make you aware of it. And so I'm not telling you this in the context of like, oh my God, this is fear, uncertainty, and doubt that I'm spreading. It's just, no, this is the news. This is the reality of what's happened. And we'll have to see how it continues to shake out from here. But $1 billion leaving the Solana market cap in 7 days. And so drop in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts around this. And again, I would love to see the Solana project, come back from this, and it maybe still can. I think the jury's out on that. We'll see how this all continues to play out. And it's, again, the affiliation with FTX and SBF that continues to kind of create this negative scenario that's surrounding Solana. Okay. So again, thanks for your support. If you're interested in learning more about Clear, links in the description below. Check them out. Look at their website. They've got a board of directors like nothing you've ever seen. Nobody has a board of directors and advisors like Clear does. So check that out. It's on their website down below. Thanks for your support. All right, we'll see you. Take care. Go make some money. Bye.